everyone. Today we're going to go over how to draw the D-Rex from Jurassic World Rebirth. It's going to be kind of a new mutant, you know, but I know it's people are calling it the D-Rex online, so that's what we'll call it for now. So let's do it. We're going to go over here and we're going to draw a line over there down for kind of the forehead. He's got this like big kind of forehead thing going on. Straight back over here, down. It's gonna be hard to fit on the page, to be honest. It's probably not even gonna really fit in the page. Out over here to the back. Down over here. A little bit bumpy. And the tail's gonna pretty much go off the page, I'll be honest. Kind of reminds me of like a Rancor or something from Star Wars. Line over here. Down over here, up. Okay. And line over there. So we're going to tuck an eye underneath here, right there. That's going to be the eye. It's going to be a small eye. And it's basically this mutant from the trailer of Jurassic World Rebirth. If you watch it, there's this new kind of creature, and we don't know what it is. And this is kind of like our guesstimation of what it looks like. Line down. And we're going to draw the teeth right here or so. All right, it's kind of like a guesstimation of what it looks like. We're going to put some line over here for the teeth to kind of give it some of that life. Cheekbone right there. And like I said, this thing comes down so low. I don't even know if it has a nostril area, so we're just going to throw nostrils right here. But yeah, that trailer was great for Jurassic World Rebirth. Let me know what you thought about it. Gonna go over here now and down over here, and it's gonna pull back around this area. Straight line underneath over here going up, and then teeth over here, teeth over here, back of the jaw over here pulling up, right on. Cool, cool, cool. And let's draw here under the neck. So he's got these two huge arms, and then he's also got the T-Rex arms on front. That's pretty funny, I think. Line over here. Let's draw like a line down over here on the eyes first, because what I want to do is I want to get the eyes to kind of make a little bit more sense, I would say. Right there. Yeah, maybe putting a little area around the eye. Right on. Line over the cheek, you know, right? Line up. All right, that makes a little bit more sense to me. So first thing I'm going to do is draw the giant arms. So curve right here, all the way down. And then that's going to go out forward. He's got this huge, huge arms. Looks like T-Rex feet, and I think that's what they took it from. Line over here, and like I said, basically what he's considered a mutant. So it's these three big prongs in the front. Curve over here, curve over here, like so. Line over there, and line. Let's do the back of the arm now, the elbow area, and down there. He's got a little leg sticking back over here, at least proportional to his size. Down right there at the back. And that's like a hind leg of any other theropod, right? Down over here, out. Like so. And he's got his tail that's going to just go off the page. If you want, we could like make it re-enter the page over here. Right? To kind of, you know, make it look like to give the knowledge that there's a tail. See, line over here. All right, cool. All right, let's go into the baby arm first. Line right there, and he's got like that T-Rex arm there coming out of his chest, which is wild here. Line over here. Right there on that side. So he's got the two baby arms coming out of the chest. And then we put the rest of his normal chest over here on this side. And then the rest of kind of the stomach area. And now we're going to go over here, down, outward, downward right there for the other arm right there. But let me know if you know the name of this dinosaur. I mean, it's like a mutant dinosaur, but like I've heard it called the D-Rex. I'm probably gonna name it the D-Rex in the title description of the video unless it changes, and I'll go back and change it. But right now, that's what I'm understanding, that it's called the D-Rex. A lot of people are naming it that. Right on. I think you can throw another little like arm right there, a little digit. And so we're looking at this, and it looks like a Rancor or something from Star Wars. But there needs to be a little bit of, what do you call it? Scaling. So we can throw a little bit of curves right here. Curve, curve, curve. Curve, curve, curve. You're drawing these little scaled lines in order to curve, curve, curve right there, right? You're drawing these little thin lines to kind of give it some detail, right? Same thing goes over here, right there, right? You're kind of doing it kind of all over the place. Maybe like you can draw like a thick, a dark line right here, a dark area below the neck, because there's a lot of shadow right going on, usually right below the neck. Maybe over here in the armpit area, that's almost always an area that contains a lot of shadow. Over here, same thing. We can draw these little curved areas of right there, these little curved areas, like so. Curve, curve, curve. Curve, curve, curve. And you're just peppering it on there, right? And I've said this in other videos. The peppering part right there, maybe a little bit of dark in the mouth. The stuff you're peppering on shouldn't be too distracting, right? There should be a little thin lines here and there. And that's, I guess you could put the back foot over here, but to be honest, this is fine enough, I think. This will work for this new mutant dinosaur thing that's in there. I'll do another one when the movie comes out, or maybe before then if we get a better look at it, but my understanding is it looks something similar to kind of this format, which doesn't even look like it's from Jurassic Park, right? It looks more like it's from, I don't know what, Alien or something. So, but I want to thank you very much. Hit the like in the video, if you know, because I was one of the first people to do this, I think. So definitely hit the like and stay here because we're going to go through other stuff. Okay, I want to go through another lesson. It's going to roll right into the lesson, so stay here for the next lesson. So let's get started on the next lesson. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.